General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay. Get this work done. Today's the 19th. See what's on. I know it's a lame week, but it's FOMC minutes too for X Factory. Yeah, FOMC minutes tomorrow, 2 p.m. So today, I think today was kind of like an inside day. We didn't hit where I wanted to sell from, and we didn't hit my target. I can't say it was manipulation. It was more of an accumulation. It was an engagement day. Medium confidence. Conditions confirmed. Price delivery seen. We don't have an anchor point just yet. So far, it's just Monday. Is it special fan out? No. I'm looking at Wednesday. Time is it today? No. Let's get this delivery log. Okay. This is our week so far. This is Monday's zone. This is kind of what I'm thinking. We'll get a reaction from. This is good because it encapsulates this, but it's just kind of hard to see. But I don't want to put too much stuff on the chart. We just came back to this old deviation. Tuesday is a low too. I don't think this low of the week is safe though. Slow day. To previous day's low and snap back in range. Definitely got the vibes of the waiting on earnings. Tuesday were not directional days. We are still in discount of previous week's range. We are in a rotation or consolidation. Look at the daily. I think we go up just to here though. So previous day's high plus here's good, but we didn't close below here. We get this its own color, something that's gonna stand out. Not closing below Monday low. Makes me think we could use Tuesday's high with Monday's wick to sell retracement to target the flat bottom. Okay. Let's say like let's get 50%. And make this because I want to see. Let's say we take the high. We could come back here and then buy from here. We could turn this into an order block. So you also got to keep that in mind. Mm-mm. See, it's Tuesday. Tuesday Q. Just a target. Previous week's high. I'm not thinking the moon trade. Hey, that is done. It's a ugly looking chart. I think it's because of the historical new week opening gap we're kind of in, which could be holding Nasdaq as well. Getting old week opening gap on SPY. This could be another reason we holding on Nasdaq. This fair value area to wait for Nvidia earnings. It's just ugly, but we're so low on SPY. It looks like it's just about to fall. That Control Z. Yeah, I don't want to do that. It's a lot heavier. Nasdaq. Yeah. Something's holding Nasdaq up besides Nvidia, because SPY should be a little bit stronger, but not as sure exactly. It just feels like it should be a little bit if Nvidia is truly holding it down. We didn't get the flat bottom over here either. And Monday was terrible on SPY. But we gotta close at the low. So this really doesn't look like it needs a Judas, maybe a retracement and lower. So we might get a shallow retracement on NASDAQ and lower. So let's do this. Mm, I think at most we get is a OTE retracement. SPX 500 for the sale. Mm, I don't think we need Tuesday high on this one. Let's get the stocks. Okay. Stocks look like we didn't do nothing. Kind of tried to push up, but came back down. Okay, here we go. 30 chart image. Mm, nothing day. Mm, let's look at QQQ. Yeah, same here, but a little bit more bullish. Day here. Let's look at NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA is waiting as well. Mystery solved. Wait on Wednesday. Day NVIDIA. Just find this tomorrow. So the market is following its leaders lead. It was not a trade day, it was an engagement day. And I saw the retracement and the Judas sub, the displacement down, the internal range liquidity sweep. Got two losses. kept risk within limits, acted on opportunity without hesitation. Did the framework play out for Tuesday? Say no. No real directional plays today. Big no earnings to build the weekly range. What do we learn about pattern and narrative? And nothing really. Alright, well, we watch for tomorrow. FOMC minutes. 2. Nvidia earnings. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.